What's the meaning of carat? Carat. Carat.
Carat. Carat. The term carat refers to the unit of measurement used to determine the weight of gemstones, including diamonds. 1 carat is equivalent to 0.2 grams, or 200 milligrams. The value of a diamond or other gemstone is heavily influenced by its carat weight, although other factors such as clarity, color, and cut also play important roles. In general, larger carat stones are more valuable than smaller ones, all other factors being equal. However, the quality of a stone is ultimately more important than its size or weight in determining its overall value.